طلاب مثل ما بلغتكم يا ريت انه الكل يدخل في وقت واحد. يس حتى احنا نبدي محاضرتنا وما ارجع اني للميت، ابقى في الباوربوينت اشرح لكم. Yes. So you're going to study English Phonetics and Phonology by Peter Rauch. The introduction. Okay. The previous lecture we've talked about the 20 chapters that we are going to deal with, and I told you that the first 14 chapters are going to be easier than the last 6 chapter, as I remember. I told you about the details, like what we are going to study through this course and the next course in this year, and what we are going to learn from English Phonetics and Phonology. We're still admitting students. Yes. So the course objectives of what we are going, or what are the aims of this course, or خلينا نقول الفصل الأول باعتبار you don't have the first semester, since you don't have courses or you don't study in courses. So the semester objectives are enabling the students of English department, who are you guys, to have more knowledge about the sound system. You need to have more knowledge about what is